Alright, this is an update on JA Guardian, my first 3D printed ship. So I have started to add accessories, the front bollards and 4 at the back. There it are. I went for like a gray and a white type color. Let's see it here. Alright, so the lights. I have fitted the boat with its entirety of its lights. The helipad lights, the accommodation, the first accommodation lights, and also the inside of the accommodation also has lights. The bridge also has its inside lights, the main headlights. So I'll explain the circuitry, the white lights and the navigation green. The red is not hooked up at the moment, and the top accommodation lights. So for the bridge lights, the bridge main headlights are 9 volts 3 watts lights, so I have to use a step-up converter to step up the 3.7 volts up to that. This LED in the middle is also a 3.7 volts, so it doesn't need any stepping up. Alright, lift up, see right there, that's this first accommodation. It's all being powered by a power bank for the time being. That's all.